Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mitesh Gala. Welcome to Rough Book, a learning companion.
Alright, we're beginning with exercise 4b linear inequation. We did till sum number 20 yesterday. We're going ahead from there. So question is already there. You can always pause the video, try it yourself and then come back. I'm sure by now you must be used to this technique. Yesterday we learned how to take the first and second part, second and third part, and then draw the number line, solution set, all that. So it's the same thing. We're just going to do few more sums for practice so that we are sure about what we are going to do in the exam. So taking the first two parts, taking the LCM as 6, so 6 3s are 18, here 3 times and here 2 times. So 3 plus 2 will be 5 and 12 goes on the other side, so I'll have to add. So 30 less than equal to 5. So 6 is greater than equal to x. This is part 1. Let's try the second part. So again LCM is 6. So this will be 3 times and 3 4s are 12. 2 times and 6 2s are 12. When you're taking the LCM, we are multiplying into 6 all across. Please don't forget that. So 3 plus 2, 5x. 12 goes on the other side, so I will get 24. So x is greater than equal to 24 by 5. That will be 4.8. We will have to combine both of them. Here 4.8 is smaller than equal to x, smaller than equal to 6, and x is belonging to I. So what should be my solution set? So obviously I integers, and here in this case I can see 4.8 to 6 is the range. So the only number that I can pick up is 5 and 6. So let's draw the number line for the same. So you shall plot these 2 points, 5 and 6. We'll have to add some extra coordinates. Don't forget, yesterday I told you extra coordinates must, otherwise you will lose your marks on that. So 5 and 6. We'll go through the entire sum in case if you have any doubts. And please try and go ahead so that you can manage stuff on your own. Once you are done with this, I want you to try the next one. The next one is sum number 25. Please try 25. Let's see if you can manage sum number 25. You can always pause the video as I told you and then go ahead to check if your answer is correct or not. Let's go ahead with the next one. I hope I am in the range of the video. Yeah, very much. So taking the first and the second part, here the word is and x belongs to natural number. So let's solve the first part. 7x minus 3x minus 5 minus 3. So I will get 4x minus 8. So x minus 2. So x is greater than minus 2. Likewise the second part, x by 4 minus 5, 5 by 4 minus x. Getting the x's together. So here I'll have to take the LCM as 4. So x plus 4x less than equal to 5 plus 20. So 5x, 25, x 5. So let us connect these two. This and this, so I'll have to connect both. And is nothing else but connect these two. So minus 2 less than x less than equal to 5. And x belonging to natural number. So my solution set accordingly I will write natural number starting from 1 and 5 is included, so I will write 5 as well. So my number line plotted 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yeah, I hope we are very clear now how to go about with this. Most of you all should manage all the sums on your own. There is nothing that you can't manage now. So please go ahead. The next one, I want you to try sum number 27. So let's try sum number 27. Yeah. again 2 parts, and then the next 2 parts. So this will be 4 and 1, 5 by 2 plus 2x, 4x upon 5. So LCM I will take, that will be 10. So this will be 25, this will be 20, and this will be 8x. Getting x on the positive side as we discussed yesterday. So 12x less than equal to 25, x less than equal to 25 by 2. Get it into at least 1 or 2 decimals. 2 decimals is advisable. So 24, 1, so 0, 1 more 0, so 8 times. So 2.08 is what we will get over here. 12 to the 24 decimal. You get 1, so another 0, so 100. So that will be 8 times 96. Let's try the second part. 4x upon 5 less than equal to 4 by 3 plus 2x. So what will I do now? Again the LCM 15. So this will be 12x, 5 4s are 20 and 5 2s are 10. No, this will be completely, see, 15, 15, 15. 5 1s are 5 3s are, so 12, 3 1s are 3 5s are, so 20, and 15 2s are 30. 20 coming on this side, negative, 12 going on that side, so I will get 18. So minus 20 by 18 less than equal to x. So if I convert this, it will be 10 by 9. So that will be minus 1 point. 9 1s are 9. So it's going to be recurring. So 1 1 less than equal to x. Let us combine the two. Minus 1.11. And in this case, x belongs to w. So my solution set starting from 0, 1, 2. I can't go beyond 2. So a simple number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2. So 0, 1 and 2. I hope we are able to manage, and most of you are able to match up, get all the sums together with me. The next one I want you to try sum number 31. So let us try sum number 31. I have written all the questions first only so that we save time while making the video and we can go ahead with a smoother pace. So let us try here, first and second part. Yeah, you can always keep the video on, race with me and see whether you can match up my speed. So here we are multiplying by 6. So minus 18, minus 3, minus 4x. So 4x less than 15. So x will be 15 by 4, that will be 3.75. I hope many of you all got this before me. Second part. So again the LCM is 6. So this will be minus 3, 4x and 5. Pushing 4 on the other side, 5 on this side. So minus 8 less than equal to 4x. So minus 2. Combining, always start from the lowest number. So minus 2 less than equal to x less than 3.75, and my x belongs to r. So I am going to write my solution set in the ruled form. X where x belongs to r, minus 2 less than equal to x less than 3.75. And my number line accordingly. Remember the IC method. I hope everyone does it that way only. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So minus 2 is inclusive, therefore I. 3.75 not inclusive. So C. Connecting the two and shading it. I am losing 1 mark on this. If you remember, I told you whenever there is any decimal, you need to mention it. So if you are not mentioning this, then you are definitely going to lose 1 mark. So see to it all decimals are mentioned wherever required. The next one, 34. Yeah, chalo, I'm giving you some time. Go ahead and then we will begin. So I should be able to match up your speed then. So first and second part, 12 plus 5, 17 by 6 less than half minus 2x by 3. Taking the LCM as 6, so minus 17, 3 minus 4x. So 4x less than 20. So x is less than 5. The first part is sorted. second part half minus 2x upon 3 less than equal to 2. Again LCM is 6, so 3 minus 4x less than equal to 12. So pushing this on the positive side, if you remember yesterday I told you, so 12 coming here becomes minus 12, minus 12 plus 9 minus 9 and 4x, so 4 goes down, so 9 by 4, so I'm dividing 2.25 is less than equal to x. So I got the second part, combining the two parts, minus 2.25 less than equal to x less than 5 and x belonging to whole number. So again my solution set, since whole numbers, so has to be beginning from 0 but less than 5. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, that's it. Accordingly will be the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One extra coordinate on either side, as we mentioned. I'm repeating it again and again so that it registers well and none of you all should lose 1 mark for such stupid things. Yeah, I'm sure by now most of you all are able to get most of the sums. The next one I want you to try is sum number 36. Come on, this is probably the last sum that we are going to do related to this. So I want everyone to try this one and get it correct, please. So first and second part, minus 3x minus 7 greater than equal to 15 minus 7x. So minus 3x plus 21, 15 minus 7. Taking this to the positive side and this also to the positive side. So I get my first part. Likewise 15 minus 7x, x plus 1 by 3. So 45, 21, x plus 1. This we are pushing on the positive side, this here. So 44, 22x goes on the other side, so 22 plus, and here also 42. Dividing by, so I'll get 2. So you always have to see. But now here the problem is x is smaller than 2 and here they say x is bigger than equal to 9. So either there is a catch or I have messed up the sum. So let's recheck. First let's check whether I have copied it correct. Minus 3x minus 7 less than equal to 15 minus 7x, x plus 1 by 3 and x belongs to R. Alright, this is correct. So let's see if I have done any errors here. So minus 3x minus plus 21, 15 minus 7x, correct. 7x goes on to this side, so 4x. 15 plus 21 is 36 divided by 4, so 9. So I am correct till here. Let's check this part. 3 comes here, so 45, 21, x plus 1. 21 goes on to the other side, 22. This comes here, so 44. So divided. So now I have got, this is also correct, this is also correct. Here they say x is smaller than 2. Here they are saying x is bigger than equal to 9. So that's the range provided to us. So how are we going to write the solution set is what we need to understand where x belongs to R. Let me just check if I am doing it right once again before I proceed and finalize the sum. Let's recheck once again because I doubt if I am doing this correct. So minus 3x minus plus 21, 15 minus 7x. So when I bring this here, so positive 4. When I bring this there, here is my catch. This is the mistake that I have done. 15 minus 21. So this is wrong. This should have been 15 minus 21. So this will be 4x. 15 minus 21 is going to give me minus 6. So when I divide, x is greater than equal to 1.5 negative. Now we get the correct catch. So I was wrong on this one. So minus 1.5 less than equal to x less than 2 is what the main thing what we need to realize. So my solution set x where x belongs to R. Minus 1.5 less than equal to x less than 2. Number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So 1.5 negative will be somewhere here, inclusive, so I, and name it minus 1.5. 2 is not inclusive, so C, connect, and that's your number line. See, basically when this was weird, I had a doubt always that I have gone somewhere wrong. So in the exam also, if you get such weird things, you need to recheck it twice or thrice. So I'm happy that the mistake happened so we could realize how to recheck. You also should always do that. If you have any doubts, recheck it twice, thrice. Doesn't matter if you're spending some time, because these are 3 cash marks straight away in section A. Okay, this was 13th, the concept of or and, which we had skipped last time. So let's stick to this one and let's finish this as well. So I've taken 13 part 2, the first part is here. So 5 less than p minus 1 less than 2. Either you can split as first 2 and second 2, or what you can do is just use a simple technique. Minus 1 send on both sides. So minus 1 comes here, becomes plus, and minus 1 goes there, also becomes plus. So you will directly get your answer, the first part. Or the second part, likewise you can do 7 plus 1, so 8, and plus 1 on the other side, so 18. Divide both by 2 or divide all by 2. So this will be 4 less than equal to p less than equal to 9. So we got the 2 conditions. So p is lying either between 3 and 6 or 4 and 9, and x belongs to R. So how will I write my solution set? So my solution set x, where x belongs to R, and we'll have to decide the lowest and the highest range because the word is or. If the word was and, then it should satisfy both the conditions. Since the word is or, it can either satisfy this or this. So you have to take maximum extremes when the word or is. So in this case, 3 seems to be the lowest number, less than p, and the highest number seems to be 9. I repeat, when it is or, take the extremes, the lowest and the highest number. And when it is and, there is a different technique. So when we do that, I will explain that to you. So right now you're just expected to write the solution set and then graph the number line as well. So a huge number line is required. Shift your 0 slightly this side because you have to adjust to some point number 9. 9 means you'll have to write one extra coordinate, that will be 10. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, just for the sake of. 3 is not inclusive, so C, and 9 is inclusive, so I. Connect it and shade it. So we are sure about this. Let's try 13 part 1. Same type with the word or. It says 3x minus 2 less than 19, or 3 minus 2x greater than equal to minus 7, and x belongs to R. So I will solve this part first. So 3x less than, this goes on the other side, 21. X is greater than 7. Sorry, not less than but greater than. Coming to this side, 3 plus 7 greater than equal to 2x. So 10 divided by 2 will be 5, greater than equal to x. Here also the word or is there very clearly. So we'll have to satisfy both the conditions. So how will I write my solution set? My solution set will be x is smaller than this and here x is bigger than this. So we'll have to think, they use the word or, so it can be either this or this. It should not satisfy both the conditions. So x, where x belongs to R, and now we'll have to think which side are we going to go. So I'm giving you a minute, think how are you going to go about it, and then I'll come back. So in this case, x is greater than 7, write that, or 5 less than equal to x. This is how we will have to write, because there is no such number which is smaller than 5 but greater than 7. So we'll have to write both the conditions with the word or. The number line is going to be an interesting one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go till at least 9 or 10. And negatives also. Now, first part, x is greater than 7 and not equal to. So C, not equal to but greater, but till infinity. So shade this. Likewise, second part, x is smaller than or equal to 5. Equal to, therefore I, but till infinity. So your number x is anything of this part on this side or this part, but not this part which is left in the center. So this is a slightly tricky one. We need to understand it well. When they use the word or, we do it this way. But when they use the word and, the sum slightly changes. So let's see how are we going to work with the sum for and. And is 15 part 2. Let us see how are we going to work with this one. So x is smaller than 0 and minus 3 less than equal to x less than 1. So this is already solved, we don't have to solve anything, but we need to write the solution set and draw the number line as well. So how will I write my solution set? And x belongs to R is what we need to take over here, right? So x such that x belongs to R, and the range. Here they say x should be smaller than 0 and x should be and, not or. So it should satisfy both the conditions. So x has to be smaller than 0 and x has to be between minus 3 and 1. So 1 we can't consider because this one says smaller than 0. Minus 3 is the other range given. So it is going to be minus 3 less than equal to x less than 0 is what we have to consider. So therefore my number line for this one
Hope you had a lovely mathematics experience with the Rough Book, our learning companion.